Sophia is recording a talk track. She is training the support team by walking through the latest smartwatch updates. She checks her mic and camera and gets a countdown to make sure she's ready. Then the recording begins. She can pause and resume the recording after a well-deserved sip of water. When she's done, her recording is automatically saved. She names it. Now the support team members can watch a walkthrough wherever they are and whenever works for them. They'll get an overview of changes with links out to other resources. When they come to the board and play Sophia's recording, it's as good as an in-person meeting, only now they can collaborate in their own time. They can speed up or pause the recording, move the video to a better position on the board, and explore on their own. And with one click, they get back to following Sophia. Here's the thing. The recording is tied to the board itself, so the team isn't just watching a screen recording, they're seeing the video embedded into the board. This means that while they're watching, they can add, let's say, a comment or a sticky note, so the viewer and presenter are collaborating asynchronously. They can also see a library of past updates that she has shared, so they can revisit older recordings. And that's how Awesome Watches uses Miro's Talktrack to keep teams connected and make sure they have all the necessary info to solve anything, together.